We're in the treetops. Wonder how much body damage we got. Hey, we made it out.
Whoa!
I locked him up. That was too rough. There we go. What just happened? What happened?
I don't know, but it's spew on antifreeze.
I bet we just got a branch wedged up in the fuel line or something. This is a giant boulder, but for reference, I'm 8 feet tall. You're not. Guys, I'm gonna set the cruise control at 70 and I'm just gonna go. We have these new cameras, which is nice. It took quite a few misplacing.
You hit a couple.
I hit people.
Yeah.
Why does it actually not feel like one bit stable? It feels like we're gonna flip.
Yeah, it does.